Samsung has revealed that it is launching the Galaxy F55 in India. A closer look at the device reveals this is just the Galaxy C55 that launched earlier this month in China, but with a different name. A new leak by tipster at Yabashekt on X has now revealed the price of the Samsung Galaxy F55 5G in India. The base will be the 8/128GB variant, which will retail at 26,999 rupees. The mid-tier 8/256GB model will go for 29,999 rupees, while the top-of-the-line variant with 12/256GB variant is expected to retail at 32,999 rupees. The prices closely match that of the Galaxy M55 5G in the Indian market. Galaxy F55 has been tipped to carry a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED screen with up to 120Hz refresh rate, with the Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 chipset by Qualcomm, and Android 14, likely with One UI 6.1 on top. The Samsung Galaxy F55 is said to get a 50-megapixel, 8-megapixel ultra-wide and 2-megapixel macro camera at the back, a 32-megapixel selfie camera. It is expected to pack a 5,000 mAh battery with 25W wired charging support. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.